Personally, my theories on math and why students hate math is because they don't understand it. That is really what I think, because I hated math. I hated math, capital H-I-T-E-D. I hated math. I really did. But that was just because I didn't have the understanding. And really, I wasn't that good in multiplication. You know, some subtraction, and addition I would screw up on. It would be the littlest things that I mess up on, and it would make me hate math because I think, oh, I don't get it. I don't understand it, so I don't want to do it. I don't want to waste my time on something I don't think I'm going to do good in.
Personally, I think it's kind of boring. Can I say that? I can say that. It's kind of boring. Just to have to remember, and being younger, you think, what is math actually, what do I have to, like, what can you actually say you need math for? But when you get older, you learn you do need math and times tables and all this stuff. It kind of helps you from counting money to doing time sheets, because I do, I work, so on time sheets and things like that. But math, it's you have to remember formulas and, like I said earlier, stats, things like that. And a lot of times it's kind of hard for people to remember every step. Or you could look at this problem, you remember this, but then you look at this problem, you're like, okay, you know it, but you forgot like just one part, or And I mean, I think that's why, probably, my opinion, that's why I don't like it.
Oh, I could tell you, not philosophy. I can tell you why I used to hate math. It's because you're afraid of it, and it's when you learn to drive, it's just like you're scared, Yeah, and after that, you're passing everybody, making everyone move, everyone getting in your way, and that's just the way it is. Once you get a concept down, you're just sitting there like, man, and then when you're done with the problem, you're like, yes. This was fun, It's like a puzzle now. Now it's like you're trying to figure out the pieces, and at first, when you're first learning to drive, you're scared. You don't want to approach it. I know people who never learn to drive because they're scared. They never get over that fear. And when you approach it, when you get over that fear, that's when you at least, okay, I can do this, and that's when you're more successful.
I think that mathematics on its own it's a worldwide affair. Even I'm from Africa, and everyone hates math. So I think that one of the main factors that affect people's attitude towards mathematics will be the teacher. And I think that as a teacher, you need to build a relationship with your students at first. From there, if you make it a fun environment, you're going to make people want to learn. But if you're being strict about everything and you don't open up to your students, nobody's going to learn from you. And that way you scare students away and make them feel that, oh, math is really scary and it's really intimidating. And then they end up saying, I hate the word math. I think that as students, we should it's fine to say you hate math. I've said it a million times and I'm here today. But I think that we should come out of that fear and say, okay, you know what? I hate the subject, but I need to learn. I need to learn it. It's important. You can't go on every day without mathematics. No matter what you do, if you're gonna buy something, you need to know your mathematics. You need to if you're gonna buy gas, you need to know math to pay for your gas. So I think that we should try to forget about our fear towards math. Work hard, get help. There's help everywhere on campus. We have tutors. You don't have to pay. You just have to create the time to come for help. Set aside time to meet up with your professors after class. You don't have to meet them up only during class. You should go outside of class, tell them, I'm having this problem, could you help me out? And, that way you can also build relationship with your teachers. And I think that will also help you.